Slow English Podcast. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Podcast. Today I'm going to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy, so I drink a glass of water and wash my face. Then I make my bed and open the window to get some fresh air. After that, I take a shower and brush my teeth. I get dressed and go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I usually eat bread with cheese and drink a cup of coffee. At around 8:30, I go to work. I sometimes walk, and sometimes I take the bus. At work, I check my emails, talk to my co-workers, and start my daily tasks. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch. I like to eat something light, like salad or rice with chicken. After lunch, I continue working until the afternoon. I finish work at 5 o'clock and go back home. Sometimes I go shopping or I watch TV to relax a little. In the evening, I cook dinner and eat with my family. After dinner, I read a book or listen to music. Finally, I brush my teeth and go to bed at around 10:30. That's my daily routine. What about you? What time do you wake up? And what do you do every day? Thank you for listening to Slow English Podcast. See you next time.